This English makes you sound insecure. There are some words and sentences that quietly reduce your confidence. These are maybe I can try. So this shows self doubt. Better you say I can do this. I'm not sure, but we can send this file to the team. So this shows that how underconfident you are. Better you say, based on my understanding, we can send this file to the team. I think so, it is correct. Why to sound unsure? You say, yes, that's correct. If you don't mind, I need your help. So these are over apologizing words or sentences. Don't use such words or sentences. Simply say, could you help me with this? Just asking, where is the canteen? How underconfident it sounds. You better say, I wanted to clarify that where is the canteen? Sorry to disturb you, but I want to have one discussion on this topic. So, how unnecessary apology is being played here? You can simply say, do you have a moment? Can we discuss this topic? I will try to finish by today. So you are sounding unreliable, Ray. Simply say, I will finish it by today. If possible, I will do it by tomorrow. Final tips. Confidence is not about big words. It's about clear and direct English. Remove self-doubt from your sentences and do subscribe to your English channel. Thank you very much. Keep learning, keep speaking.